Your brain isn't simply resting during sleep. It's engaged in synaptic homeostasis. Over a single sleep cycle, neuronal connections are pruned or strengthened. This process maintains cognitive function by balancing synaptic density. Contrary to the idea that longer sleep is universally better, the human brain performs these adjustments based on individual needs. A 2016 study by the University of Wisconsin revealed that synaptic scaling occurs more intensively in some brains, requiring longer sleep durations. During this time, the brain eliminates excess synapses, conserving energy while optimizing learning and memory. Not everyone needs the same pruning, explaining varied sleep needs. While you sleep, your hypothalamus manages the circadian rhythm, a complex timing system that regulates sleep patterns. The SCN, or suprachiasmatic nucleus, is the brain's master clock, signaling organs and cells to sync with light and dark cycles. A 2015 study from Harvard found that genetic variations in circadian oscillator genes can cause significant differences in sleep requirements. These genes, like PER and CRY, affect how your body cycles through sleep stages. Some people have gene variants leading to longer periods of wakefulness, while others experience quicker cycles, influencing sleep duration needs. During sleep, adenosine, a neurotransmitter that accumulates during wakefulness, is cleared from the brain. This molecule binds to receptors, creating the sensation of sleepiness. According to a 2021 study published in Neuroscience Letters, individuals metabolize adenosine at varying rates. Those with slower clearance often need more sleep to reset their adenosine levels and feel alert. Faster metabolizers experience quicker adenosine reduction, requiring less sleep. The study involved 300 participants undergoing polysomnography and found a 30% variance in adenosine kinetics. Sleep needs are thus intricately linked to this neurotransmitter's clearance rate. REM sleep is critical for memory consolidation, yet its duration varies widely. Your brain cycles through different sleep stages, including REM, where it processes emotions and memories. A 2022 study from Stanford University showed that variations in REM duration are linked to the cholinergic system's activity. This system uses acetylcholine to modulate REM sleep. Some individuals have higher acetylcholine sensitivity, resulting in longer REM periods. These variations influence how much sleep a person needs, affecting learning and emotional processing. Not everyone requires the same REM duration for effective memory consolidation. Sleep need differences are also affected by cortisol, a hormone that peaks early in the morning. Known as the cortisol awakening response, CAR, it spikes by up to 50% within 30 minutes of waking. A 2018 study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology found that individuals with higher CAR levels tend to require less sleep. This response prepares the body for daily stress and activity. Conversely, those with lower CAR may feel the need for longer rest periods to achieve the same alertness. The study measured cortisol in 500 adults, showing a clear link between CAR and sleep duration needs. Inside your neurons, adenosine triphosphate, ATP, plays a crucial role in energy regulation. When awake, ATP breaks down, generating adenosine. This buildup signals the brain to sleep. During sleep, ATP synthesis ramps up, restoring cellular energy. A 2017 study from the University of Toronto demonstrated that mitochondria, the cell's powerhouses, are pivotal in this process. In slow-wave sleep, mitochondrial activity increases by 30%, replenishing ATP levels. People with more efficient mitochondrial function may require less sleep for the same energy restoration. This cellular mechanism underscores why some need more sleep to achieve similar energy replenishment. The glymphatic system, your brain's waste clearance network, operates most efficiently during sleep. Cerebrospinal fluid flows along the perivascular spaces, flushing out metabolic waste. A 2019 study published in Science Advances showed that glymphatic activity is heightened during non-REM sleep. In this sleep stage, interstitial space expands, boosting waste clearance by 60%. Variations in glymphatic efficiency mean some brains clear waste more quickly, requiring less sleep. Conversely, slower clearance rates necessitate longer sleep durations to achieve the same detoxification. This mechanism is pivotal in explaining differing sleep needs. Orexin, also known as hypocretin, is a neuropeptide that regulates wakefulness. Produced in the hypothalamus, it influences arousal and appetite. A 2020 study from the University of Cambridge found that orexin levels vary significantly among individuals. People with higher orexin activity tend to experience more sustained wakefulness, needing less sleep. This study involved measuring orexin in cerebrospinal fluid samples from 400 subjects. Participants with lower levels required longer sleep to feel adequately rested. This difference in orexin signaling explains why some people thrive on fewer hours of sleep. Circadian oscillator genes, such as clock and BMAL1, dictate the timing of sleep-wake cycles. These genes influence the transcription of proteins that control circadian rhythms. A 2021 study in Nature Communications revealed that mutations in these genes can shift sleep phase preferences by several hours. Participants with altered clock gene expression were found to need more sleep. The study involved 150 individuals with monitored sleep patterns and genetic analysis. Alterations in these genes can predispose individuals to longer or shorter sleep durations. This genetic influence underlies the variability in sleep needs across the population. REM stage memory consolidation involves the hippocampus and neocortex. During REM sleep, neural networks replay recent experiences to strengthen synaptic connections. A 2018 study from MIT found that this process is modulated by the neurotransmitter serotonin. Higher serotonin levels can prolong REM sleep, enhancing memory consolidation. The study analyzed 200 individuals, correlating serotonin levels with REM duration. Differences in serotonin receptor sensitivity mean some individuals require longer REM periods, affecting total sleep need. This neurotransmitter-driven mechanism highlights why sleep duration varies for memory consolidation. Chronic sleep debt accumulates when sleep duration is consistently less than needed. This differs from acute sleep deprivation, where short-term sleep loss occurs. A 2022 study published in Sleep Medicine Reviews demonstrated that chronic sleep debt impairs cognitive performance more severely. The study involved 500 participants and showed that cognitive decline accelerated by 20% in those with prolonged sleep debt compared to acute deprivation. Persistent debt affects neurotransmitter balance, increasing risks of mood disorders. This ongoing imbalance highlights why even slight variations in sleep need can have significant long-term effects. Sleep tracking apps often provide misleading data, contrasting with polysomnography results. While apps use accelerometers to estimate sleep stages, polysomnography measures brain activity directly. A 2021 analysis from the University of Colorado compared app data with lab results. Out of 300 subjects, apps underestimated REM sleep by 25% on average. This discrepancy can lead users to misjudge their actual sleep needs, perpetuating sleep debt. Polysomnography, involving EEG and other measures, offers precise insights into true sleep architecture. Understanding these limitations is crucial in assessing personal sleep requirements accurately. The wellness industry often oversimplifies sleep advice, contrasting peer-reviewed research findings. Generic suggestions, like 8 hours for everyone, ignore individual differences. A 2020 review in Annual Review of Psychology emphasized that sleep needs vary based on genetics and lifestyle. The review encompassed over 100 studies, highlighting the need for personalized sleep strategies. Contrary to one-size-fits-all advice, research shows that sleep architecture is shaped by complex, individualized factors. This complexity underscores the importance of understanding personal sleep needs beyond industry-promoted ideals. Long-term sleep variability has profound effects on health, impacting metabolic and cardiovascular systems. A 2019 study from Johns Hopkins University found that inconsistent sleep patterns increase heart disease risk by 11%. The study tracked 2,000 adults over 6 years, linking irregular sleep with inflammation markers. Sleep variability affects cortisol regulation, disrupting metabolic processes and increasing diabetes risk. This evidence highlights the importance of consistent sleep patterns for long-term health. Understanding individual sleep needs helps mitigate these risks, promoting better health outcomes. A 2023 study published in Nature Human Behavior reframed our understanding of sleep needs with a clear conclusion. Tracking over 1,000 participants, researchers found that subjective sleep quality, not duration, was the strongest predictor of cognitive performance and mood. Participants reported their perceived sleep quality, which correlated with cognitive tests and emotional assessments. This study shifts the focus from hours slept to sleep quality, challenging conventional metrics. Recognizing that quality can outweigh quantity offers a new perspective on managing sleep for optimal function.